gang, Vince here, Vince's Wood and Wonders. Thanks so very much for stopping into the shop. Got a new package here. New item. This one's, I think it's gonna be for me. Thought we'd bust it out here to show you what it is. So, been wanting to get one of these. Listen, if you're spending any time out in the shop, you're sanding at all, you're turning at all, you gotta take care of yourself. And especially if you're, depending on the woods that you're working with, especially. But this has been a long time coming, and I am going to bite the bullet and treat myself, maybe, to a Trend Airshield. Yes, the Airshield Pro, battery-powered circulating face shield. This unit is excellent. In my opinion, it's the best unit out there. I know there's other units and everybody has their favorites. If you have something else and you love it, fantastic. For me, I like a self-contained unit. I don't like any sort of hoses and wraparound. Look, that stuff's for Superman. I'm not Superman. One of the biggest concerns that I have heard concerning these units is the weight of the helmet. And what was fun is that I had a customer, longtime customer, really good guy, and he was looking at one of these. He wasn't sure if it would work for him. He said he was really concerned about the weight. And I said, hey, Greg, take one, try it, let me know what you think. So I gave him the one that I had. He took it home and put it on. He said, man, this thing is great. He said, the weight of this unit is nothing like I thought it was going to be. And he said, the part I didn't want to tell you is that, by the way, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you would be so kind, send a nice comment. We appreciate it. Also, be sure to subscribe to our emailing list where we have ongoing specials being sent out occasionally. I don't bombard you with emails, but some people think I do. Once a week at the most. Anyway, thanks so very much. Is that he tells me he had neck surgery, and that was part of his concern, was the weight of it. And after he put it on, he realized the weight of it was not going to be a concern at all. So the way this works is you've got your battery. You simply open your hood shield, open the top, and you slide your battery in the back unit, such as this. That's it. It's that easy. Close your unit. 2 snaps. Turn it on, and you're in business. I will tell you, for the folks who are getting one of these, if you're thinking about getting one, if you'd like to get one, Trend says to go ahead and charge up the battery for a good 8-10 hours. Let it get a good charge, and then only charge the battery as needed. That is, don't just plug it in when you're not using it and unplug it when you are going to use it. It's an easy thing to do, but what happens is it just degrades the battery. Outside of that, you might want to get a spare battery just to have on hand. These things, list on these are $717 is the list from Trend. I've got a special going on right now. I know I'm going to enjoy this one. I think that you would enjoy one as well. So check the link below for the special. And yeah, let's enjoy some healthy breathing. I'm going to use this when I mow my yard. I've got just over an acre. And when I mow and it's dry and dusty and I am done mowing, I'm coughing and hacking because I've breathed all the dry grass and dust. I think I'm gonna wear this. I don't care what the neighbors think. Anyway, hey, thanks so very much for stopping into the shop. We'll talk to you soon.